Log into your GCASH mobile app and choose the Pay Bills icon. Under Biller categories, choose Water Utilities. Select Prime Water. On the Pay Bills page, type the ATM reference number. Enter the account name. Enter the bill number. Input the amount that you wish to pay. You may also put an email address. On the upper right corner, click Next. Double-check the details and make sure they are correct. If everything looks good, on the upper right corner, click Confirm. This page contains a summary of your transaction. A notice that the transaction has been completed will be sent to you. That's it. Thank you for watching.